On the day of waterproofing application, there are a few things we measure. One being using a hygrometer, we measure the relative humidity, air temperature, dew point temperature. We want the conditions to be ideal, so we know that the membrane will cure properly. So that's your hygrometer, which we use. We also measure the fillet, the vertical to horizontal transition. In an external environment, being a liquid, we use a 15mm fillet gauge. And we measure the transition there. We also use a wet film thickness gauge. At the time of application, manufacturer wants us a certain thickness to achieve between coats, so we use a fillet gauge, a wet film fillet gauge. Once the membrane cures, there are two ways to measure your dry film thickness. One being physically cutting out a piece and measuring it with some vernier calipers to measure that. And the other way to measure your dry film thickness is using an ultrasonic. So we measure that. There we go. So we're getting around 2mm thick.